Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 15th, and we are going to take a look at the Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you when to buy and when to sell. I'm just showing you what I see technically, and I hope that this information, you will use it amongst other information in order to make your own decisions. So Tesla finished at 738.85 today, up $6, 662 since yesterday, up almost 1%. Post market, it's at 9 cents up. So what does it look like on the chart? So remember yesterday we had the big red candle and it touched this resistance here. Now we also have this resistance here at play. So today we have a very small bodied candle with a long wick at the bottom. So this means that even though it's a red candle, the long wick means that the market tried to go down but was pushed back up in the end. And look at this. This almost touched the support that we had here. So so Tesla is hugging this resistance that we have here. So it's hugging here, and also we have this support here that is I should put it in a more visible color. So this is a very important support that we have had since mid-March. So this is a very important support. So basically what I'm thinking, wow, this is hard to say because well, I don't think Tesla will go below 710. Well, I should not be making any speculations, but we have this support here that's holding, and we have this resistance that's holding. So basically what I can say for sure is that the stock seems to be into this congestion zone here. So I think, well, this is into play. This is into play. This support here and this resistance here, I would say, are more important than, and I'm going to put them bolder, are more important than this support here. I'm going to say it like that. So this is less important. This is also less important. Anyway, the time is going by, so so I don't think it's going to hit that resistance anytime soon or ever. So I think I'm going to display it like this. So this is a nice way of looking at it. So the diagonal lines to me are less important because they have only been in place since maybe the 23rd of March, while this support and that support are bigger and more important. So this is what we have here. So I don't expect, this is speculation now, speculation time. I should have a sign, speculation time, so I make a distinction between what I see on the chart and what I think will happen. Sometimes I just cannot help myself. So so basically I think it's going to stay in between these two lines. I don't know, but maybe they are going to, the stock is going to stay between these two lines until the April 26th, where Tesla will announce if they made, well, how much profits they made. I'm pretty sure they made a lot of profits. So I think people will just stay put until the 26th, but I don't know. Maybe the stock will go up. But this support is here to be watched. So I will watch this support very closely at 709. If it goes below 709, then I don't know what's going to happen. The stock could go down to this support here. Huh? It could go down to this support before going something like this, because basically we are stuck between these two lines. We have been stuck here, which is not bad. We have been stuck here since the beginning of last year, and see what the stock is doing. It's touching this on the top for a while, then it decides to go down, and touches this once in a while and then decides to go up, and then no, I'm gonna go down, then no, I'm gonna go up, go down, go up, go down. So basically this is what the channel does. And here we had this really breakout of the channel, and the stock kept going super high, and then after this little party, it went down on the support and is going up and down on the support basically. So something like this could happen. So the support here is there to be checked. We need to check this. And because it's possible that if the stock goes down here, then we are going to have an opportunity to buy it down off of support, depending on your strategy. This is always a strategy. You can buy off of support, like buy here, buy here, buy here, and sell at resistance. So some people would buy here and sell here, and they would have missed this. Some people buy here and they wait for a really good signal to show that the stock went down, and they sell. So here there was not really a good signal to say that the stock was going down to this lower channel, and then you would have gotten this, and then here you would have said, well, okay, this is my support here, so the stock is really in a congestion zone, and if it goes down, I sell. So you could have bought here and sold approximately here, which is a nice profit. Or you could have sold at any point here and said, well, this is high enough for me, I'm going to sell. But then it could have gone even higher. So this is the nature of the stock market, and this is why it's interesting, and because it's always new and it's always unknown. Let's look at the indicators. I'm just going to remove this, not to mess up my chart. So let's look at the indicators. So stochastic is still pretty high, 77.9. So this is giving me a nice indication that I don't think it's going to go down very soon, in a couple of days. I think it's going to stay up there. MACD, the two lines are turning, well, the blue line is positive now. So this is an indication of a bigger uptrend. And the DMI, since it crossed a couple of days ago, then the DMI says, no, we are green now, we are in a bull market, and let's just wait until this bull market really takes off. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. I read all comments. We have a Discord server, and we have a Patreon tiers also, if you like what I do and want me to continue doing this. I'm going to wish you a great evening, and we are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.